One of the most common questions we get when meeting with students is, do you have the major or program I'm looking for? Or, for those of us who aren't sure what we want to study, they'll say, tell me what you have. At Kirkwood, we have more than 100 programs, and they're split almost evenly. Half of the students who come here make it very clear to us they do not want a 4-year degree. There are so many jobs out there that only require 2 years or less of college training, some that are even tuition free for those who qualify. So about half of our students do those types of programs: healthcare, manufacturing, hospitality, and agriculture. The other half comes here to get general education or liberal arts classes done before transferring on. That's a popular option for students who want to save money and take advantage of Kirkwood's small class sizes. If you go back over the past 5 years, you'll learn that Kirkwood students have transferred to colleges in all 50 states. So, in answer to the general question, do Kirkwood classes transfer? They absolutely do.